Hello, folks. CC Jack with Quantum Pot Grow. If you are one of the millions of dispensary weed buyers currently watching your monthly budget get absolutely shredded by rapid retail inflation, taxes, and price spikes, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the exact math and science behind how you can secure your own clean, pure, and highly efficacious medical marijuana for approximately $40 per ounce. Our mission at QPG is to provide you with the tools to achieve total cannabis security without breaking the bank. Think about it. Insurance companies will readily pay for dangerous, addictive pharmaceutical opioids, but the moment you want to choose a safer botanical therapy, you're forced to pay entirely out of pocket at astronomical dispensary rates. High cost is the single greatest obstacle keeping people from the relief they deserve. But even if you can afford retail prices, there's a massive scientific reason why those commercial dispensary products might be failing you. We know the medical potential is real. Look at the most recent research results from the University of Pennsylvania Perelman School of Medicine, published May of 2026. They found that an incredible 24% of chronic pain patients completely discontinued opioid therapy within 5 months of switching to medical cannabis. In fact, total cessation was achieved by most participants by the end of the second month. But here's the catch. The researchers explicitly noted that patients identified high dispensary prices as the number one barrier to staying on this life-changing botanical alternative. At QPG, we solved the price barrier permanently, but we also solved the quality barrier because not all cannabis is created equal. If you've tried dispensary products and felt they were lacking, you aren't crazy. There's a distinct scientific reason for it. The key word is terpenes. I'll let our AI assistant Q explain the clinical reality of what is known as the entourage effect.
In the journal, Frontiers in Pharmacology, The Case for the Entourage Effect, a meta-analysis of full-spectrum versus purified cannabinoid extracts in the treatment of chronic pain. The findings indicate that patients utilizing full-spectrum botanical extracts reported equivalent analgesic outcomes while requiring significantly lower dosages. On average, the therapeutic dose for full-spectrum products was 40% lower than that of purified THC or CBD isolates. This dose-sparing phenomenon suggests a synergistic interaction between cannabinoids and minor terpenoids. Terpenes are highly volatile substances that give the flower its taste and aroma, but biologically, they act as a guidance system, literally directing the THC directly to the CB2 receptors in your spine and joints, where your chronic pain actually lives.
When pure commercial THC enters your system without terpenes, it completely bypasses those pain-relieving CB2 receptors in your spine and joints and heads straight for the CB1 receptors in your brain. The result? A hollow, anxious high with almost no physical pain relief. Because most commercial mega growers optimize for quick profits, their mass production processes, including pesticide residue, rapid machine drying, and rush curing, systematically destroy these delicate terpenes before they ever reach the dispensary shelf. Over the years, I've personally taught many friends to grow. Early on, they always needed me to visit their grow rooms to diagnose problems before they build up their own confidence. Now, by following the structured QPG regimen, they grow a medicine that is literally too strong for some of their adult friends. I've been told my critical is too critical, and my apple tarts is just too intense. Since I cannot personally visit every one of your grow rooms, cloning my experience into the AIQ is the next best thing.
I am Q, the AI assistant for Quantum Pot Grow. I am on call in the plant clinic and know the entire QPG system. When you have even the hint of a problem, you don't guess. You come to the plant clinic. You upload your photos and describe the issue. I use diagnostic algorithms to analyze your plant's health, identify any problem, and offer real-time solutions. I am your 24/7 on-call expert, ensuring the QPG system works for you every single day.
If you're thinking, our AI already had all the knowledge about growing pot before I trained him, think again. He had read every grow guide and Reddit thread on the internet, but as you are probably aware, much of the info on the internet is not correct and often contradictory. Much of what he knew was just wrong because he had no way to evaluate anything in real life. I've been growing Connoisseur quality pot since the year 2000, and now Q's answers are grounded in experience and reality, not internet gossip. We charge $99 for a full 1-year subscription to the entire video course in the 24/7 Q Plant Clinic. That gives you more than enough time to harvest 3 complete crops. That breaks down to only $8.50 a month to secure clean, lab-grade medicine for roughly $40 an ounce. We are so confident of this system that we stand behind it with a 100% money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied. Stop overpaying the dispensaries for degraded commercial flower. Head over to Quantum Pot Grow today, take control of your health, and become truly cannabis secure. And as always, if you found value in this breakdown, please like and subscribe, but only smash the alert bell if you absolutely need more daily interruptions. Thanks for your time.